Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been quite a while since I last uploaded here. I didn't follow up the map. I've actually been busy building my other YouTube channel where I go super deep into AI agents, AI automation, and all the fun stuff regarding AI. And that's where I actually show step by step how to actually build out workflows, set up tools like N8N, and create automations that actually save hours, save you time every single week. So if you think that's your vibe, and if you'd like to learn more about how to build AI agents or how to start with like AI automations, and you want hands-on tutorials and deep dives, then definitely I would encourage you to subscribe to my new channel. I'll leave the link below so that you can navigate to that easily. But for this channel, I'm bringing it back with slightly different focus from what I've been focusing on over the years. Here I'm going to cover AI and technology trends, what's happening in the news, the big shifts in tech, and also practical ways you can actually get started with AI without needing to be a programmer, a developer, a PhD holder, or even a data scientist, okay? And for this comeback video, I want to hit the question I get asked constantly, okay? How do you actually make money with AI? Because let's be real, that's what most people are wondering, especially in the economy we are in right now. Everybody's looking for a side hustle. Everybody's looking for new ways to make money. So let's talk about the first opportunity here, right? So the truth is that AI isn't just some shiny new app or a passing trend. It's quickly becoming a core skill, like using a calculator, using Excel, or even using the internet back in the early days, okay? And the good news is that with AI, you don't need to be a PhD holder. In fact, a lot of people are making so much money without even having a degree. You don't need to be some Silicon Valley engineer. What you really need is the ability to look at everyday problems and ask yourself, could AI make this faster, cheaper, or easier? So that's where the money really is, okay? And right now there are 4 really strong areas where people are actually cashing out with AI. So let's go through them, okay? Let's go through those 4 strong areas where people are actually making a lot of money. People are actually cashing out in AI. So the first one is around services. So think about small businesses, okay? A real estate agent, a local coach, a startup founder. They are all overwhelmed because they have so many things to do, so many emails, too many client messages, too much admin. So if you step in and you say, hey, I can help you set up an AI chatbot that answers FAQs on your website 24/7, or I can automate your client onboarding so that you don't waste hours on paperwork, they'll definitely pay for that. And for that, you don't need to invent a new software. You just need to understand how to connect existing AI tools, okay? And honestly, it's one of the fastest ways to start making money with AI because businesses feel the value immediately. You save them time, and then time is money, okay? So just think about it that way. Now, the other bit as well has to do with like content creation and creativity. So this one is really exciting. I personally find that to be very exciting. So AI can actually turn one idea into a full content system or a full content ecosystem. So for example, you could draft a blog post and then you can turn it into a YouTube script, and you can generate shorts or TikToks, or even you can create visuals to go with this, and you can do all these things like using existing AI tools. People are already building AI powered YouTube channels, meme pages, and even podcasts, okay? And they are monetizing with ads, sponsorships, or digital product sales. And let's not forget digital products themselves, okay? So AI assisted Notion templates, resume builders, pitch decks, children's books, stock photos. People are creating all these in minutes or hours, and they're selling them on Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon. Now here's the catch. You can't just pump out random AI content and expect it to work. But the winning formula is AI plus your own unique perspective. So AI will give you the speed and the skill that you need, but you need to add your own human touch, your own ideas, or your niche expertise, okay? That's what you actually bring to the table, and that's what actually makes your content stand out instead of blending in with everyone else, okay? Now the third one has to do with like using AI inside your own business. So this is really specific to people who already own their business, okay? So this is where AI becomes like an extra team member without you having to add an extra person to your payroll. So take marketing for instance. So instead of hiring an agency, You can use AI to create your ad copy, your design visuals, and even generate landing pages for your business. So take sales, for instance, you can have AI manage lead follow-ups, schedule calls, and keep track of customer interactions as well. Now, think of customer support as well. AI chatbots can handle the repetitive questions so that your team can actually focus on higher value tasks as well. So just note that this isn't really about replacing people, it's about freeing them up for the boring stuff so that they can do what humans are good at. That's like our creativity, our strategy, and also building relationships and even going out to get new clients, okay? And so when you cut costs and save time like that, your profits margins go up, and that's money you can actually keep for yourself and for your business. Now, let's talk about the fourth way of making money, okay? This is around investing and trading. And I know that trading isn't for everybody, okay? But some people are using AI to give themselves an edge in the market. So if you are into the financial markets, then know that there are AI tools that can actually scan hundreds of earning reports, analyze stock movements, or even track sentiments on social media way faster than a human can ever do so. And others are actually building agents to basically identify plays like covered calls, cash secure puts, or even monitor crypto trades. I know that it can be a bit risky, but let me be clear. If you already understand the basics of investing, okay, then AI can become like an assistant analyst that never sleeps. So let's put this all together, okay? AI isn't just another tech trend. It's quickly becoming a skill that can make you money in multiple ways. And like I've said, you can offer services to businesses, you can build content or digital products, you can use it inside your own business to scale, or if you are more advanced, you can apply it to like your own trades and investments. So over the next few weeks, like I said on this channel, I'll be sharing more about what's happening in AI, the big shifts in technology, and the practical steps you can also take to get started. And again, like I mentioned earlier on at the beginning, if you want the technical step-by-step tutorials on building AI agents and automations, then make sure you subscribe to my other channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I'm going to leave it in the comment section below as well so that you can navigate to that place easily. But here, we are just going to zoom out, think trends, strategies, and the bigger picture of how AI fits into work and life. So hit subscribe, stick around, share this video, and let's explore this together because AI isn't really the future anymore. It's already here, and the people who know how to use it, they are the ones who win. See you in the next one.